U Fashion Private Limited was first established in 2008 as a small clothing outlet store. It sourced low-priced products from China but struggled in its early years as competition was strong in the industry's low-end market. After a few years, U Fashion revamped its business model and targeted the higher-end market, sourcing from talented local designers and outsourcing production to Vietnam. Today, U Fashion has grown significantly, with the expansion of stores and online sale increases. However, as the company transitions from a physical and online business model to omni-channel retailing, there are various challenges that have surfaced. A SWOT analysis has been utilized to develop a strategic operations blueprint that will aid the company in its transition to omni-channeling. Strengths of the company. Currently, U Fashion's products are high in demand and they have talented young local IT developers. Weaknesses include things such as inaccurate demand forecasts and small fleet size. Opportunities include integration of IT and big data as well as improvement of returns management. Threats include facing competitors that are constantly improving fast in the industry.
In the Strategic Operation Blueprint, we have developed a timeline showing the implementation of solutions. As seen in the Gantt chart, the different colors represent the start of a new task at a point in time. Assuming that implementation starts on 1st April 2018, full integration should be completed by 30th May 2019. As demand forecasting and warehousing are critical issues, U Fashion will engage these issues first. After everything is settled in demand forecasting and warehousing, we will start on return policy for 1.5 months, followed by the software implementation such as inventory software and cloud analytics for 5 months. After implementing, testing for the software is needed. Thus, after 4 months into the implementation, testing will start. Staff will then be sent for training to learn and fully operate the software system. With all the implementations done, the use of POP Station will then help U Fashion in order management. Further details about the implementation will then be explained in the video.
Demand forecasting. U Fashion should use the bottom-up approach where forecasting is based on past data such as trends and seasonal variation of each store. At this stage, it is crucial to have an accurate demand forecasting as the company manages erratic and seasonal patterns. At the same time, U Fashion should focus on renting a warehouse from third-party logistics. This will benefit U Fashion and it can focus more on other aspects of its operation and spend less time on managing the warehouse. Next, return policy. U Fashion has to undertake strategic steps such as creating appropriate return policies and gatekeeping policies. Gatekeeping refers to the screening process of how and which products are returned. With this, they can identify which product should enter the flow of return. A return authorization policy is then needed to secure effective gatekeeping. The policy identifies and integrates products that can be reinserted into the forward flow as early as possible. Lastly, performance expectations should be standardized across the board so that each department will make continuous effort in establishing proper return management flow.
By implementing the web-based fulfillment software, sales opportunity will not be forfeited, and the software is able to optimize forecasting demands based on SKU item profiling. However, this system is tedious to integrate and testing is needed. Cloud analytics software will also be used to connect and manage the company marketing strategy, supply chain planning, sales and revenue, improving its information technology, and assisting in inventory management. It is also important that the staff understand how these new policies and software works. Therefore, staff training ensures that everyone in the company is familiar with the system and can adapt to the new changes. POP Station will work with U Fashion to give customers another channel of purchasing and collecting goods. However, all these implementations will have a high startup cost and will take years before the company fully sees the benefit from these changes.